Please, turn off the ad block, subscribe, and share. Links will be below for anyone wanting to support this channel.
Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViews and Help, and today I am making a quick video, an updated video from one of my previous ones 2 years ago on how you make a background like this, like mine. Now, as far as things goes, again, I've done this type of video 2 years back, but some of the links are not working as well. And I'm going to actually link in this video on the description DropBox links, which is my personal Dropbox, so you can grab the files that you need directly from there and you can run with that. Now, as far as that goes, what you're looking at is RainMeter. RainMeter allows to have a functional background like this, a live background, but it can also be functional. Live means it's just moving, but functional means these charts and a lot of this information is real. And plus you can add buttons, like I can lock, can do all the other stuff from here, and it allows a lot more function to it. So as far as that goes, RainMeter is free, but finding these themes are very difficult. So I'm just going to link to you the ones I'm using. Now with this, again, you need the newest RainMeter, and I wouldn't advise the beta release because it's beta testing type of stuff. If you want to do that, fine, there's no real harm, but that's up to you. I prefer to use final releases and just do a download on that and just run through that installation process. And I'm going to have these links. These are to the older ones, but as far as the this is an updated version of what I currently have. So I would advise you to grab this Iron Man theme if possible, and to download it, you just go over here to the download button on the right side. Now with this blue vision, you the person on here, I don't know if they don't know about this or they just don't care to do it, but they don't have the proper things for you to download anymore. For the older versions, you can use this. The older versions of RainMeter, you can use this, but they don't have the proper files that will work with the current day RainMeter. So with this, I actually have a share folder, which should look like this, and just click on RainMeter for this instance, and the one that you want is the blue vision. Just download that and it should work. It should bring everything up and you should be good to go. Now the thing to note is, if you do want to make your own theme, what you can do is go to manage, create, and then select the theme and all that stuff and tell it where to put the theme. In fact, that's exactly how I made that. I give credit to that person and everything. So as far as that goes, you can actually have these things, but for the Iron Man, I suggest you to actually download it from that link, this one, because it will give you more stuff. I don't know what's newer though. Now as far as these goes, what you need to do is you can drag and drop the theme, the actual layouts to wherever you want. And what I would advise you to do once you get to the position that you want is go to settings and select drag and make the position on it on desktop. That way, if you got other windows, like for example this, it doesn't cover it up, and that way it acts like as your actual background. You can also get this if you go just double click the icon, and if you go to, say for example, I think I got this one. So right here you'll select load, like right there, and what you'll do is simply go to uncheck draggable and select on desktop for position, and that way Windows will always appear in front, so it acts like an actual background on the desktop. And by making it where it's not draggable, you don't accidentally hit something, and go from there. Now you can refresh all the themes or just one theme. So to refresh a given layout, a given thing, you just hit the refresh icon and it will refresh it. Or you can refresh all by just right clicking there and do refresh all, and it refreshes all. Now as far as if you're running Windows 10, I want to add this in here real quick. There is a startup sound, and this is interesting and cool, but with Windows 10, for whatever reason, the startup sound starts way later than what it should. It should start up immediately whenever RainMeter pops in, and the problem is it doesn't. So in order to fix this, I got another video on how to add that in for when you log in, and then another video how to change the startup sound itself in Windows 10, and it also works in Windows 8. So, and also the video on how to add that into your login sounds, it gets into how to load more things into your sound file, so you can actually have sounds, individual sounds per alarm, individual sounds for log off and whatever, and it will allow you more features. Now as far as that goes, hopefully this has answered some questions, and I'll leave a link, a card up for the sound thing. But as far as that goes, if you do have any questions or anything, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll try and answer it as quickly as possible. And if you do want to add more information in here, or if you have your own theme or know of a theme that you like for RainMeter, leave that down below, because I'll be interested in seeing that, and if I like it, I might incorporate it into my stuff. So you got that. Now if you don't like this for whatever reason, go and leave a dislike, but let me know. But if you want to help this channel grow, go to Patreon and donate there, and also feel free to share. It's been Craig Bennett, founder and owner of Tech Views Nope, and hope you have a great day.